Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Eto na po ang biyahe ng buhay ni Cedric. Hi DJ Lala, good evening po. Ako nga po pala si Cedric ng Olongapo. 36 years old na po ako at humahanga sa 2 kasarian, babae at lalaki. Pero mas matimbang ang pagtingin ko sa lalaki. DJ Lala, hihingi lang po ako ng payo. Ano po ba ang maaari kong gawin kapag may crush ako? Madalas po kasi ang ginagawa ko ay Madalas po kasi ang ginagawa ko kapag may hinahangaan po ako ay madalas kong i-treat ng lunch at merienda. Kapag birthday naman po ay binibigyan ko ng small gift. Madalas, ihahatid ko pa sa workplace niya. Tama po ba yan, DJ Lala? Thank you po. God bless. More power to you and to the radio station Love Radio. Hi, Cedric. Diretso na tayo sa problema mo, love. I don't think it's an issue if that is your language of love. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, iba-iba tayo ng language of love eh. May mga tao talagang galante. Siguro nga isa ka doon sa mga galanteng tao kapag nagmahal or humanga sa isang tao. May mga tao naman na hindi man mag-gifts, hindi man grand sa gestures like yung dates, yung flowers, yung chocolates, yung paghatid at pagsundo. Iba naman sila magbigay ng alaga sa kilos. Like for example, they will make sure na everything you need, you have it. Magaling sila magluto. May iba ng mamasahe, may iba sweet with words. Kumbaga, iba-iba tayo ng language of love. But the problem is, my love, those languages of love, dapat inilalabas natin siya sa isang taong we are committed to. We are in a relationship with. Why? Kasi ayaw naman natin bigyan ng bala yung ibang tao to take advantage of us. Pag masyado kang mabait, kapag masyado kang galante, kapag masyado kang ganyan, for the lack of better term, or hindi ko lang mahanap yung term, pag masyado kang waldas sa pera, kasi feeling mo yun yung way para mapansin ka, yun yung way para maramdaman nilang you appreciate them. Some people may take advantage of that and will continue to go out with you na ang impression sa iyo ay they like you too. Nagigets mo naman ako, my love, di ba? That's the most straight and euphemized way I can explain it to you. Yung tipong, syempre, sasama sila sa'yo kasi may napapala sila sa'yo. Nililibre mo sila, hinahatid mo sila, binibigyan mo sila ng regalo kapag may mga special occasion. So, may mga tao na kung medyo masama yung ugali, o diba, medyo kampo ng demonyo, iti-take advantage yon, o diba? Kumbaga, hahayaan kang paniwalaan yung idea, yung perception na may posibilidad na maging kayo. Pero kapag wala na silang mahuthot sa'yo, wala na silang makuha sa'yo, wala na silang mapala sa'yo, that's when mararamdaman mo slowly or abruptly, they will leave you. They will start to drift away. O diba? Magsa-start silang lumayo sa'yo. And you'll feel bad sa sarili mo, thinking na, what did I do wrong? May mali ba sa akin? May pangit ba sa akin? May hindi ba kagusto-gusto sa akin? Am I not that worthy para mahalin ng taong yon? You will impose questions like that. Mga complicated questions that can be answered by one brutal reason. Yun sumama lang sila sa'yo. Nagpakita lang sila ng somehow twisted type of mutual feeling sa'yo. Because meron silang napapala from you. May nakukuha sila from you. And I don't want you to be okay with that kind of relationship. Na okay lang ako kahit hindi niya ako masyadong gusto. Okay lang ako kapag kahit ako yung last option niya. Basta sumasama siya sa akin. Gagawin ko pa rin to para sa kanya. Don't do that to yourself. Do not sell yourself short. Do not buy happiness. Do not buy love. Kasi that is something that cannot be bought. Yan ang isang bagay na hindi mo mabibili. Yes, maaaring they will be with you for companionship kasi meron silang nakukuha at nagkakaroon ka ng satisfaction out of it. But if you are looking for emotional stability emotional security. You cannot find it, and you will never find it if you'll continue on buying people, showering them with the material things. Kailangan ipakita mo sa kanila na if you wanna be with me, I want you to be with me not because may napapala ka sa akin, not because may nakukuha ka sa akin, not because may nahuhut-hut ka sa akin, at may naibibigay ako sa'yo. Be with me because you want me, you like me, you love me for who I am. And I think, my love, that is the kind of relationship and the kind of person you want to be with. So if yan yung gusto mong makuha, then maybe you have to change your ways on introducing who you are to people na nakikita mo as your potential partner. Hayaan mong makita ka nila for who you are, not with what you have. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Huwag mong gawing flashy yung arrive mo sa kanila. Instead of aiming to be flashy, aim to be sincere. Para tao will make an effort to get to know you and to love you because they know you. Claro? Claro.